Welcome back to the portrait drawing series. This is a beginner level tutorial. In this video, we will go through step by step on how to draw realistic human ears and hair. Follow along on a blank sheet of paper. Before we get started, you will need to get a few things: a blank A4 paper, a pencil, a sharpener, and an eraser. We are going to start by drawing the side of the ear. To begin, we will draw a C shape that is slightly pinched at the bottom. The next step is to alter the C shape. This will depend on the shape of the person's ear that you are drawing. Then add a slight bump at the top. Add another bump below the middle of the ear and add a last bump at the bottom. Add a curve at the top of the C shape, pointing inwards. The next step is to draw a line inside following the outside line. Leave a little bit of space between the two lines and add a little more space towards the bottom of the ear. If you are drawing a frontal view of the face, the drawing of the ear should appear flatter against the head. The shapes stay the same, but you would just need to narrow the ear. Let's look at shading in the ear to make it look more realistic. The first step is to look at the lighter areas and shade that in. Next, we're going to look at the midtones, which are the medium tone areas, and we are going to shade that in as well. Lastly, we are going to look at the darker tone areas and shade that in. Take a moment to look at this image to notice the lighter areas, the midtones, and the darker tones. Awesome job! You have learned the steps to drawing realistic human ears. The next part of this video is a continuation from the first video. You will need your proportion guideline sheet ready. Now let's draw the ears onto our portrait. The ears are placed between the eye line and the nose line. Now that you have found the placement of the ears, draw in the ears following the steps that we have learned. Since we are drawing a frontal view of this portrait, try to flatten the ears without losing the shape of the ear. Lastly, we are going to look at adding in the hair. The hairline is in between the eye line and the top of the head. Draw in this guideline lightly with a pencil. Then carefully draw the hairline using the guideline as a reference. Once you have done that, you can draw in the outline of your hair. This will depend on the type of hair you are drawing. This is an example of a self-portrait drawn by following these guidelines. Now that you have mastered the rules of proportion, you could continue to practice drawing portraits without the guidelines. How simple was that? You have mastered the rules of proportion and completed a realistic self-portrait. Well done. I hope you enjoyed the portrait drawing series. Leave a comment below to let me know if you were able to complete your very own self-portrait. Thank you for watching.